Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Andy. Today we will be unboxing a 3.5-inch downpipe which I bought on AliExpress. I bought this downpipe because I always try to see if there are more cost-effective solutions for my Seat Leon Cupra. Of course I could have gone ahead and bought either a Miltech or a Bull X downpipe, but I found this downpipe on AliExpress, and especially the fact that it was heat shielded, which makes it way more interesting than a normal downpipe, that took my attention. As we can see, the packaging could be done a little bit better. It arrived a little bit damaged, but fortunately all the components inside the box are 100% intact and without any damaging marks. Here we see the Sportscat, 200 Cells Sportscat, and this kit comes with a test pipe and also with the 200 Cells Sportscat, as you can see right here. It looks very good in my opinion, especially for the price point, as I was able to purchase this downpipe including shipping for under 500 euros, which is a very good value in my book. This is the Decat or test pipe, as people know it. And let's take a look at the main part of the downpipe. A reinforced flex piece, but first let's look at the model number, which is DP-035XGR-SY. Again, this is looking very good even with the packaging still on, especially if you also keep in mind that the price point is very interesting, below 500 euros including shipment. Seems that the packaging is stuck behind the bung for the first O2 sensor. There we go. You see that the first part is 3.5 inch from the V-band clamp up until the first O2 bung. Then it steps down a little bit to, I think, what is 3 inches. And this is the connecting piece for a small reducer towards the original catback system, making sure that it will fit one-on-one without any issues. And it seems this is the actual Decat or test pipe. The other pipe is a connecting pipe, which you also need to use. The exhaust clamps which are provided look like very high quality, and I was not expecting this for a downpipe at this price point. And while shooting this video, I totally forgot that the kit comes with the Decat test pipe and also with the Sportscat, meaning that you don't need to use all the pipes when you install it on your car, but again, I forgot about this. And even though this looks cool, this is not how it will look under the car. Either way, the kit looks very good and I can highly recommend it, especially at this price point of sub 500 euros. But as Gordon Ramsay used to say in one of his shows, it seems I'm an idiot sandwich. Enjoy the bonus pictures, please like and subscribe, and I see all of you in the next video. Thanks for watching.